Ooh, toasted spider. Hey everyone, it's Deb with Deb's RV Services, and today we are doing some tech work, and I have Kylene with me from Ace Repair, right? Is that
Ace RV.
Ace RV, and we are in, what city are we in?
We are in Duvall, Washington.
Duvall, Washington, and we have a number of jobs, so we thought this would be a great opportunity to record what we're doing and kind of take you through it. So one of the jobs is we're replacing
A Skylight.
a skylight.
Yep.
Then what is the other one?
We need to diagnose and repair her water heater.
Water heater. And then we're doing stairs.
We need to diagnose, troubleshoot some Kwikee steps.
Cool. Is there anything else, or is that it?
That's all I remember at the moment.
That's all we remember right now. And if there's more, we'll just add to it. But stay tuned, and we're going to take you along with us. I wanted to show you guys her work truck. And she has so many cool tools. Look at, it's all Milwaukee. I mean, wow. Right now we're just collecting the stuff we're going to need for the job. And she's got a battery here that we can use for testing. And so we're getting that ready. And then we're going to start work on the stairs first. And I also wanted to show you guys something that she has that I just bought is this magic creeper. I never knew about it. So for inspections, my gosh, it's so simple and light. You can carry it in your car, and then you just lay on it, and then it just, you slide. So you put your feet on the ground, and then you lay on that magic creeper, and then you just whoop, slide right under there. So much easier than what I've been doing. So I ordered one, and I absolutely love it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and shut the door. You want me to just shut the screen? Yeah. Does it work? Yeah, it'll work with just the screen. This is yours, right?
Yeah, that's the pigtail.
And you plugged it
so
into...
I've disconnected her step, the control. So this goes to the control.
Okay.
The module here.
Mm-hmm. So that's just clipped to the ground.
Yep.
Okay.
And then...
So you're giving it 12 volts is what you're doing.
We're grounding it to the battery, yep, so we can use that battery to test it. If we touch the white wire to the positive terminal, so this white one to the one that's right there underneath that. If you have it pressed on there, it says that the steps should extend and remain extended, which obviously they're not. And then if we touch the brown wire, leave the white wire on that one.
Okay, so leave the white wire on.
Yep. And then touch this to here. The light goes out. You notice?
Oh yeah, the light does go out.
So that's for the, I think that was the door. And that says that test the override, the ignition override. And then it says to extend the step, we would let go, which of course this step isn't going to move. But we are getting power, right?
Yeah, we have power.
And everything is trying to operate as it should. And then if we disconnect the white wire from the battery, attach the brown wire to negative and the yellow wire to positive, the steps should retract. So brown to negative, yellow to positive. So that's positive, and this is negative. And then leave that one connected. And if I take this one off, it says the step should extend. So it's trying to do every single thing.
Yeah.
And then it says if any of the step functions do not work, the source of the malfunction is either in the control unit and or the motor. If I can get both of my hands.
So we're disconnecting from power source. We don't want any power going to the steps right now. We know that 12 volt works. We are just not getting any movement. So what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect the gear. Is that what we called it? The gear?
The motor assembly.
The motor assembly.
Yep.
I have a habit of saying the wrong words. Anyway, the thing. And there's also a little, is that a cotter pin, would you say? Yeah, a little cotter pin that we have to remove in order to take that off.
Okay, so that ground is back there.
Okay.
We're still disconnected here.
Mm-hmm.
Then we need to disconnect here. And I'm just at the perfect wrong angle.
Well, yeah, this isn't the best circumstances. I've got my head resting on my fist so that I can try to hold this camera in place. Oh, there you go.
It's just a little stuck, that's all.
Okay.
There we go.
Ah,
Okay.
got it. Okay.
So, then I need, and he said to take these off.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. 2. 3.
Neat. So what we're trying to do is we took this off, and up in here there are teeth that some of them got really worn. And let's see if we can show.
Oh boy, we're
Okay.
losing our light.
I know, it's really hard to maneuver underneath. So yeah, can you see the teeth turn? Yep. So we're trying to position it in a place where the teeth are not as worn, and then put this back on and see if it works. So we let's start with that you called Lippert too.
Yeah, so since we weren't successful with what we did here with trying to rotate the gears to see if it would then move the step, we wanted to reach out to Lippert to just confirm, since this is not something that either one of us have specific training in or typically work on. We just wanted to, confirm the route we were on. So we called them and explained the testing that we had done, and then gave them the part number off of this motor assembly right here, which he confirmed is the part number for the motor and the gearbox, and gave us the part number for just the motor, and confirmed that it is a motor issue. It would be broken gears inside this piece, not those pieces that we were seeing in here.
Oh, okay.
And so
that's why it wasn't moving.
Yeah, this would need a replacement. He said because we hear everything moving or trying to operate when we're testing it, and because we can move the steps freely by hand, all of that just confirms that there would be broken gears in the motor.
Okay. So we're just going to put that on order, and then when you get that in, you'll be able to replace that for her.
Yep.
Okay.
Perfect.
On to the next thing.
All right.
So next we are working on water heaters, and what we were told by the customer is that it does work on electric, but not on gas.
Yeah, and the last time it was working on gas, it's been cleaned since then, but you can see here where it's like discolored above, and then if we look here, we see that this is discolored,
soot.
and then here as well. So we've got soot and smoke and bad combustion stuff coming out, and you can even see some of it in here.
Oh yeah.
So first thing we want to do is test to just kind of see what's happening.
Let's see what happens. Okay. Want me to go inside and turn it on?
Yeah, we would just need to confirm that the propane is on, which is not on this side, I think, because these are all locked compartments. It's probably on the other side.
Okay, I'll go over there. So I'll go try to fire it up, and then... All right, I'm about ready to power it up.
It is trying to ignite. And it did ignite. That is a very big flame.
Yep.
Very orange. Do you want to try to see it at all?
Yeah, like get in there a little bit more. Ooh, yeah.
We really want a smaller blue flame.
See if they can...
So, obviously, in order for this to ignite, we had to have had the control board working. We had to have this thermal fuse intact, ECO, the T-stat, everything had to have passed the signal through, and the gas valves had to allow gas out in order for that to ignite. So this is where our problem is.
Yeah, it's
and
very
we can
orange.
skip this other stuff to begin with, because that's the issue where we need to start.
Okay.
So let's turn it off.
We brought a wire brush to clean the igniter and a little alcohol, and we have tools so that we can take everything apart. So I'm going to take this off. Wait, yeah. I should have my gloves on. So, and we were looking at maybe adjusting this too. Okay, so to get this off, I go under there. Okay. Okay. Ooh, look at that.
Perfect.
That is full of crud. And I would love to be able to see if
I'll
I
grab
had a
my light.
flashlight. Yeah, get a flashlight. While she's doing that, I am going to start to brush this off. She was looking for a replacement part and she didn't have one. She didn't have the right one in stock. So what we're going to do is we're just going to clean this and then she will order the part if needed, but I think cleaning it really good will help this so that it doesn't have that orange flame in the future. And I can see a lot of soot down in there too. Let's see. You know, I don't see anything back there. I just see some right up in the front. And it's weird because I almost see a claw, like there was a spider, a bug.
Cool.
So I think what happened is like a bug got in there. I'll try to get my camera in there and see.
So let's definitely take that off. So we're going to have to take this off too in order to pull this whole.
Okay.
Because if we adjust this, we're only going to be able to adjust this part. But if we take this off, then we can move this too.
Okay, cool.
You see it?
Nope, but I'm going to take the phone and try to see if I can. Oh man, look at that.
Scoot it over that way a little. Let me get the light.
Ooh, did you see that glob? It's like a spider family. Yeah, I think they can see it now. What do you guys think of that? That will make your flame turn orange. It creates havoc, those bugs. Yep. So we're going to clean that out. Let me put you back on the tripod. Yeah, I mean, it looks like spider legs. It's some kind of bug, but
Get it out of there.
should we just take this brush and try to get at it?
Yeah, I would just like fling it out, like so that we can try to keep it whole and like get a good picture of it.
Okay, let's try to fling
Just,
it.
like fling it on into here. So like.
There we go. It just flung.
Is it a bee?
Oh wow, that's two. You know what they are? Those are stink bugs.
Those are stink bugs.
Stink bugs. Can you guys see that? Let me get this phone down
Cool,
here.
dude.
Stink bugs.
Not actually something I have seen, I think, ever on a water heater job.
Wow.
Yeah, bugs stuck in here. So that's cool. That's very neat.
Yeah.
And we can move this a little bit more out of the way. We have a flex gas line, which is nice because this isn't super rigid here. And as long as we're careful not to, stress this joint, then we can move that out of the way and get to there to clean it.
See if we can. Oh yeah, good.
See if there's anything in
All
there
right.
that can be brushed off.
Oh, there was
off.
more. So I just.
there?
Oh wow, there's
Ooh.
plenty more.
Cool.
There were like
A whole
plenty.
family.
A whole family was in there.
We're setting them free.
Nice.
To have a proper burial.
So yeah, they love to go inside of these, and
They're attracted to the gas smell.
yep. And so that's why they'll put screens on here, mud dauber screens, but they do void a warranty, right? Like, so if you had a new rig and you had a screen on, technically.
So it's gonna void the manufacturer warranty of whatever the appliance is. So.
Which I don't know why, because you're preventing something from happening.
Well, the reason that they're telling you that is because they're worried that you're going to restrict airflow.
Yeah, and that's also a no-no.
Cause an issue with that because if those get clogged up, the screens get clogged up with dirt or dust, mud, etc., then that's going to cause an issue with airflow.
Mm-hmm.
So if you have mud dauber screens, take them off before you go in for service.
That's right.
This is not professional advice. This is personal advice.
Yeah.
Or at the very least, keep them clean so that
And
an
then maybe
airflow issue is not an issue.
Put some alcohol on here, you think?
Yeah, I think we should just wipe it.
Okay.
That way we've gotten any debris off, and I bet this might actually
Fix it.
fix her issue. So just very carefully, not to disturb the gap. We can inspect this while we have it out so that we know if there's nothing wrong with this too. So we can see that there's no cracks in this. It doesn't look problematic.
So let's show them
And
the
the
gap.
gap.
So the gap between these two have to be, it's 1/8 of an inch. Is it the right?
I'd have to look in
Okay.
the service manual to verify,
You're
but
right.
it does sound correct.
Yeah. I've listened to so many of Darren from IRV Works videos that I'm sure it's a 1/8 of an inch gap between here, and then also for this one it doesn't need to be, because you're on the furnace, it's over the burner.
It needs to be, yeah, aligned with the burner.
But
yeah.
this one is just between here and here, has
Yep.
to be
And I
one.
think it's actually also equivalent to about 1/4 if you
Okay.
turn it vertically, about 1/4's width. And I
Okay.
mean, we know that this was lighting, right? So we know we don't have like a gap issue necessarily. We just don't want to disturb the gap when we're cleaning it or moving it or taking it out or putting it back in.
Very good.
So now we get to put it all back together.
Okay. Hi everyone. So right at this point in the video, my microphone's died, so I don't have the ending. So I just wanted to come in here while I'm editing the video and let you know that the water heater job was completed. It worked fine after we put it together. It was the bugs in the burner area, so you always want to be careful to get those annually maintained so that you don't have that kind of problem. It does prevent your water heater from working. And then we had to go ahead and order the motor for the steps. And then we did not end up doing the Skylight job. She was going to come back because she had to get some other parts. And so she was going to come back and do that later. But I just wanted to give an ending to this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This was a lot of fun. I have many, many videos in the works for you because I got a lot of footage of jobs that we did. It was such a great time. I really enjoyed my time in Washington. I hope you enjoy this. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and comment below if you have any questions about anything that we're doing with the tech work, because this is something new for me on my channel and I'm learning, and then I'm allowing you to learn right along with me. So take care, and I will see you next week.